Having my mom around to help with my daughter means the world to me, so I got her a smartphone.
Amanda, I'm out front, honey.
And she actually finds it easy to use. It's the all-new Jitterbug Smart from GreatCall. It's got one of the biggest, brightest screens, much bigger than most other smartphones. A simple menu list and voice typing make it easy for her to call, text, and email. And with the built-in 5-star app, I know she can always get help, even without me.
One touch of the 5-star app turns the Jitterbug into a personal safety device. In any unsafe or uncertain situation, you'll be immediately connected to a highly trained agent who can confirm your location, assess the situation, and get you the help you need.
Grandma, we finally won!
Service starts as low as $17.48 a month. Or choose our all-new Jitterbug Flip.
Exclusively from GreatCall.